Today, we're diving into the mysterious case of missing Bluetooth in Device Manager on Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. Number 1. Check if Bluetooth is enabled. First, let's make sure Bluetooth is even turned on. Open Settings, go to Devices, and click on Bluetooth and AMP devices. Ensure that the Bluetooth toggle switch is in the on position. Sometimes it's the simplest things. Number 2. Restart your computer. If Bluetooth is still playing hide and seek, let's give your system a fresh start. Restart your computer. It's amazing how many issue a good old restart can fix, so let's see if it does the trick. Number 3. Update Bluetooth drivers. Outdated or incompatible Bluetooth drivers can be the culprits. Head to Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click on your Bluetooth adapter, and select Update Driver. Let Windows search for the latest drivers and install them. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips.